How to add captions in Openshot. Want to make your videos more accessible? Here's how to add captions in Openshot. There's no built-in auto captioning, but you can add manual captions using text layers. For that, go to Title, then create a new title and type the caption line. Save and drag it to the timeline above your video. Use the timeline to place each caption at the right timestamp. To make multiple captions, duplicate the original title and edit the text for each one. You can adjust the position, font size, and background for visibility under Properties. Want semi-transparent captions at the bottom? Lower the background's alpha or use a semi-transparent image as a background layer. Keep each caption around 3 to 6 seconds for readability. Do you prefer manual captions or using other tools for subtitles? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.